What is up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it goes. Your boy be back with another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you are new, my name is Brandon Jones and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. If you are returning, of course, you know that I support you and I appreciate all of the efforts for you supporting me, and I am here to help you make money. Alright guys, so listen, we're talking about phone flipping. I want to confess something to you guys. I've got completely off of my phone flipping videos, focusing on reselling and product reselling and wholesaling, because that is literally what picks up during the summer, and phone flipping as well. I want to get back into the basics and talk about phone flipping and actually show you guys results that people have had with my phone flipping course. Now, I can't cover everyone because everyone has not signed a consent form for me to share their income, but those that did, we're going to go over their income today. We're going to go over how much they made. You can be next, all right? My Phone Flipping Academy is linked below, and it's also on IamHustlersMindset.com. And the Phone Flipping Academy takes you from A to Z on how to flip phones, and also gets you orchestrated in 2-hour private community where you can communicate with other phone flippers and myself and like-minded individuals, and you can sell to buyers literally on that Discord server, so you can get a one-stop shop somewhere where you will be comfortable to understand you're going to continue to learn. The phone flipping course is not the end. Phone flipping course is just the initiation. It teaches you all of the beginning aspects of phone flipping, and after that we are geared towards making sure that we propel you to success, propel you to getting to different levels, and we intertwine your goals with the results. We are very big in numbers, very big in quotas, making sure that we set goals that are number oriented so that we know that we need to hit X amount a day, X amount offers a day. How many phones did you sell? When did you sell them? We want to really study our market so that we can propel ourselves to getting the best results possible. And I'm going to cover all of that today in this video. If you are new to phone flipping, why should you phone flip? What is the convenience of getting devices and actually flipping them? Take a device like this iPhone or this Apple Watch. These can make you money literally by reselling them, okay? You first purchase these for a low price point, and then you sell them for $100 more. Now you may be asking, why would people want to sell me a device for lower than what I would be getting? And that is the question I really had when I first started flipping phones, and the reason is because a lot of people do not understand the market value of these devices. Now you may be asking, what is the market value? The market value is the value that the buyer deems the device to be, okay? So the market and the buyer are combined. Now, I am a buyer, but I also have buyers that I sell to. And these buyers that I sell to, they're overseas and they're flipping these devices for more money to people that can't access them, okay? So, prime example, this is a hypothetical. Let's say I have this iPhone 14 Pro Max 256 and I want to sell this, and I have it. I brought this for $1,200, but overseas it's worth around $15. I made a $300 profit. So in essence, guys, that the value of these devices are not determined by the person selling, but instead the person buying them. So you guys can access my buyer's price list by 2 ways, okay? You can either join our community down low, okay? And you get everything for free. Or you can purchase the buyer's price list on IamHustlersMindset.com. I do my best to make sure that I assemble the best buyers to give you guys the best offers in our community. And I ain't gonna lie, sometimes it's going to be worth you selling it to a regular consumer. If you have an iPhone 11, buyers won't look at that as profitable, so they won't offer you as much money. But you can go to a consumer, and that might be somebody that has iPhone 8 and they're looking for an upgrade, and you say, hey, listen, I'm selling this iPhone 11 for $250, and they bite on it, and you only spent around $70 for that iPhone. All right, so it's all about understanding how to leverage your market, leverage your price, so that you get the maximum amount of profit. Now, I know we're talking about phone flipping, but we really should be considering this device flipping, because I don't excel just in phone flipping. I don't just flip phones. I also flip iPads, MacBooks, AirPods, Apple Watches, iPhones, everything. And all of these items are items that you can sell to buyers, wholesale, or you can sell to consumers. No matter what, the point of this is getting devices for a low price point than what they're really worth on the market. First, you have to figure out how you're going to be able to tap into what the market price is. If you're just trying to start and you're somebody looking to start gaining a profit, there's one thing you're really gonna need, is a buyer. Where are you gonna find these buyers at? How are you gonna get these buyers? What is it that is going to get these devices to sell? I'm gonna tell you a little secret. It's not that hard. All you have to do really is go on Facebook Marketplace. You can go on OfferUp. You can go on MERCARI, Amazon, eBay, Swapper. You can go to a whole plethora of platforms and sell devices. You don't necessarily need a buyer. You can sell these devices to consumers all day long. But if you are somebody that wants a quick turnaround, quick profit, selling to a buyer is more effective. Now let's get into the logistics of phone flipping and what we teach. So here at the Phone Flipping Academy, what we teach you guys is we teach you exactly how to obtain phones, what phones are best to buy, how to check phones, how to make sure that you're not getting got at phone arrangements, how to negotiate with buyers, then how to flip your money, and also how to get in contact with other people to leverage their money just so that you don't have to leverage all of yours. So we're showing you a plethora of things that are going to help you obtain the second income, but also make it something that is working for you. My main key and my main tagline is making money work for you. I genuinely believe we need to be making money work for us instead of working for money, because one of the most valuable things, matter of fact, the most valuable thing in the whole entire world that we are consuming is time, okay? And time is something we can't get back. Therefore, I don't want to spend all my time worrying about money. I don't want to spend all my time stressing about bills. I don't want to spend all of my time depressed because I can't pay my rent or because my whole entire check is going towards bills. I'm living check to check to check. No, you have to get another stream of income. And honestly, it's multiple streams of income at this point. And this is something that you can do easy because everybody needs a device. Everybody needs a phone at some point, and you can be the person that is driving this force and getting the profit from it. All right, so let's talk about results. All right, now this Phone Flipping Academy that we have, this is an academy where you're going to be actually going through with me different techniques on how to get phones, how to obtain them, how to buy them, how to sell them, and then how to repeat, and also how to flip your money. And then you're put into a community with other people that are showing you their results. You're getting put in the phone flipping leaderboard, you're getting cash prizes, you're getting so many different perks and benefits. Now, guess what, guys? The biggest aspect of jumping into this game is you understanding this. Results are key. Numbers don't lie. And one thing we want to try and do is show you guys the numbers, show you guys that you can do it, because all of these other people are doing it and they're no better than you. You are somebody that has it in you. You just have to be willing to take the risk and also believe in yourself. I believe in myself more than I believe I can breathe. I believe in myself so much I can't even explain. It is no word that can explain and describe the belief that I have in myself, and that's how you should be as well, because you're all you got at the end of the day, you. So if you are contemplating and you're somebody that doesn't know if you want to start another income stream or you want to try and start a business, guess what? Completely fine. I understand. But living with that regret would kill me, because I am somebody that cannot, I repeat, cannot put my dreams, cannot put something that could be on the back burner. I can't. So guys, let's hop into the results. Let's hop into the first person that made money with my Phone Flipping Academy in the last 3 months. I'm going to put the spreadsheets on the screen, but guess what, guys? So this is Julie S. Julie S, she showed an iPhone 11 Pro Max 64, iPhone 13 Pro 256, iPhone 13 Pro 256, Apple Watch Series 8 45, and then a iPad 256 gigabyte, right? So the Apple Watch and the iPad were unlocked. Both of the AT&T iPhone 13 Pro 256s were locked. Let me explain to you what this spreadsheet is from. These spreadsheets are from customers that are using our Phone Flipping Buyers Price List. The Phone Flipping Buyers Price List is a price list that not only gives you the market value for phones, but also connects you to buyers. So what happens is you will go see the price list and see exactly what prices you should never go under while negotiating for devices. Once you see those prices, and let's say you negotiate somebody and you get a buy. Once you get that buy, we give you instructions on the buyer's price list how to contact us so that we can then auction your device off to different buyers. I said it, not just one buyer, not just two, not just three, not just four, not just five, multiple buyers that will then negotiate for your device. We accumulate all of the offers, and then we get the highest bidders and put them in a price list. We email you the prices back to show you exactly what the best offers are, and then in totality what your profit will be. And then you can say yay or nay. You can tell us yes, I want to sell it. You can say no, I want to go and sell it on Facebook Marketplace. I want to try and sell it to consumers. But we make sure that we siphon and look at the best offers for you guys to get and obtain. So from this price list, we see that for the iPhone 11 Pro Max, we got the best offer, and it was locked. We got the best offer at $160. For the iPhone 13 Pro 256, it was $580. For the iPhone 13 Pro 256, $580 again. For the Apple Watch 8, $385. For the iPad 256, $330, totaling into $2,035. This is the amount that she made from the devices that she obtained. She shipped them out to us, and then the buyer paid her automatically. I don't know what payment method she used to get her payment, but we offer Cash App, Zelle, and also bank wire transfers. So we make sure that she gets her money, and then she ships us the phones, and great deal. Now it's time to repeat. All right, guys, so on to the next one. We have Brian M. So Brian M, he sold us iPhone 13 Pro Max 128 unlocked, iPhone 13 Pro Max 256 unlocked, iPhone 13 Pro 256 iCloud locked and locked to a carrier, and then an iPhone 13 Pro Max 256 unlocked completely. We gave him $660 for the first one, $725 for the second one, $245 for the locked one, and then $725 for the unlocked iPhone 13 Pro Max 256. Those were what he got. In totality, he got $2,355, and that is exactly what he walked away with. So guys, he was able to make a quick turnaround, quick profit, and he was also close to us. So what we did was we sent somebody to actually drive to him to actually buy the phones in person. He was actually in New Jersey. If you guys don't know, I'm located in Philadelphia. We got that done really, really quick. All right, guys, for the next one is going to be all iPhone 14 Pro Maxes, 256, and we offered them $740 for each, and that totaled to $2,960. I'm sorry, I didn't say the person's name. This is Sarah L. Sarah L, she got $2,960, and these are all weekly profits, guys. These are not monthly. These are people sending us price lists weekly and making this. So honestly, it doesn't tell us how much they pay for the devices, but I'm telling you right now, mostly everybody is getting 1,000+ profit off of these devices. All right, guys, so this one is a big one. This is my guy, Jamie, okay? Jamie L is really, really, really killing it. I want to shout him out. I'm not gonna say your last name because, again, for the privacy aspect, but he's been killing it. Every week, he dishes out a whole bunch of used devices. Here's somebody that is hustling, somebody that has found his market, found exactly how he wants to saturate everything. He wants to get everything, okay, guys? So let's read this list. He got iPhone 13 128, and we got it for, and these are all used, and they're all locked. So we got it for $350. Another iPhone 13 128, $350. Another iPhone 13 128, $350. Then he got us the iPhone 13 Pro 256 locked to T-Mobile and also passcode locked. We paid him $115. Then we got an iPhone 13 128. We gave him $350 again. Then we got an iPhone 13 Pro 256. Gave him $550. Then the iPhone 13 Pro 256 again. Gave him $550. Those both were AT&T locked. Then a T-Mobile locked iPhone 13 Pro Max 128. Gave him $450. He then actually got $3,065, but he had to pay $85 due to the fact that he actually sold us a device that was cracked. And when we got it in the mail, it was cracked. He didn't notice it, but it was cracked, so we had to deduct that $85. So he totaled out $2,980, and that was his profit. That's how much he made. And guys, like I said, you can buy used phones and make money. And one thing I want to say is I recently made a video about leveraging people's money, and that's exactly what Jamie does. He leverages people's money. So if he does it, you can do it too. Again, he's not special, guys. He's not special. He has a work ethic that you can obtain, and you guys can make this stuff happen, okay? It's not hard, okay? All you have to do is do your research, do your due diligence, to sit down and literally figure out how to literally do it. That's it. It's not rocket science. It's not rocket science, guys. This is something you can obtain. I promise you, you guys are going to get there in no time, all right? Now, let's hop into the next one. The next one is going to be Justin S. So, he has 2 iPhone 14 Pro Max, AT&T lock. We gave him $740 for each. Then he has an iPhone 14 Pro. We gave him $620. That totals his payout to be $2,100. All right, guys. So that was his payout. All right. Now, that is going to be all that I have for this video, because I don't want to make it too long. But I hope this shows you guys that you can make profits. You can take a course and actually be a part of a community and actually thrive. You can be a part of something bigger than what you are at right now. Not saying anything about where you're at, because where you're at is exactly where you're supposed to be. But it's all about elevating and becoming 1% better every single day. You have to want this as bad as you want to breathe, but most importantly, you have to want to actually do the work. You can't just sit around on your phone thinking that something's just going to happen. You can't sit around watching videos thinking something's just going to happen. You get paid $600 every 2 weeks, $800 every 2 weeks. Shoot, in high school I used to get paid, I think it was $850 every 2 weeks. And guess what? If I would have knew what I know now, I would be investing something from that check in order to make me money. And I got a lot of people that are in high school that watch me as well, right? I get a lot of DMs from you guys, and you guys are really, really freaking awesome, because you're getting into this at a young age. And if I was you, honestly, I would start really understanding the importance of me. Again, the importance of me. You have value. Money doesn't have the value unless you use it. So understand that as a young mind, or even as a mature mind, we have to understand how to leverage our assets, how to first obtain the asset, leverage the asset, duplicate the income, and then repeat. We just got to make sure that we have great money management, but also we understand how valuable we are as consumers and how valuable we are as sellers, buyers, and whatever you have an aspiration to do in life. You're valuable. You just have to put your value out there and actually expand your value. You have to implement things to actually project your value onto people that need it. All right, guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you guys so much. You already know how it go, man. You know that I'm here for you. Got your back like a broad strap. If you're new, again, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. If this is not your first time viewing, thank you so much for coming back and watching the video. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Join that community. Become a part of the family, guys. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. My home.